I love the mermaid emoji with the pink hair, bro. This is me.
Now you wanna act like you don't know what to do. Can you keep up? Can you keep up? Can you keep up?
So, if y'all watched my carnival haul, my get ready for carnival haul, you'll see that I had this wig that I bought for carnival that I was really excited to show you guys. You know, don't judge my cap appearance right now. Hopefully it'll all come together. I'm very excited for this. So this wig that I'm reviewing is Sapphire Wigs. I got it off of Amazon. This is Sapphire Wigs in the color Rose Red. Synthetic lace front wigs. I got it off of Amazon, guys. Amazon is stepping it up. Amazon has always been there. Amazon is taking over the world. So my wig on Amazon, let me see how much it is. When you look up the Sapphire wig on Amazon, it's a picture of Kylie Jenner in a pink wig, and it is in the color red, but it's really pink. And it's $37, and with Prime you get free shipping. If you're a student, you get free Prime. I've had, never mind, because I want the feds to come out. So $37. It goes out of stock a lot. When I was getting it, there was only 2 left. Now they restocked, so there's 16 more. So yeah, when I opened it up, it has this super cute Ziploc-y kind of bag, and you just pull it open. And then inside you have, it comes with 2 wig caps, one that I have on right now. I'm so happy that it came with a wig cap because I definitely forgot to buy one for carnival. And I don't normally wear one under my other wigs, which is bad. Don't listen to me, don't follow me. So if you guys want how I'm going to put this wig on for carnival video, I'm probably going to do it anyway. Like actually do the wig cap like installment properly where I like do all the stuff. So stay tuned for that. Okay, so then you get to your wig, which is inside of another bag. You know, that's cute, safety and whatnot. And then you get the wig, which is inside of a hairnet. That's cute, professional. And then I'm gonna take this off. It has this little stuff inside, and it has a tag that just says you can't return the wig if you cut the lace off, which is fine. So this is the lace on the wig. I'm so excited for this. It has lace, not all around, but like I'll show y'all. It has a clip right here and a clip right here, and it has an adjustable like thing at the bottom, strap. I still might add my own band like I showed y'all previously in the haul. It's really long and really pink. I'm probably gonna cut it because really long hair is not really my thing, but like we'll see. The parting space goes from, it's really a lot of parting space. I don't know how to show y'all. Oh, I'll flip it inside out. So it looks like that. You see the part right there? So it can go all the way back. The side parting space is not that much, but like I'm gonna wear it in the middle. Oh, I need scissors, bro. It feels really soft. I'm just brushing it out right now. This color is so bomb. I'm so excited for carnival. Ooh, I'm so excited to wear this. Bro, when people see me wear colored hair, they just want to stop, stare. They're like, oh my god, you look so great. Because people think black people can't wear colored hair. And baby, we're in 2019. Colored hair is the move. Okay, so I'm going to show y'all the hairline like this. So I'm going to cut off this lace, and then I guess I'll show y'all me putting it on and stuff. Okay, so this wig is about 26, 27, 28 inches. I know that's a big difference, but I don't know. I'm just guesstimating. And it does take heat, so you can't put heat on it. I'm probably going to straighten it before I go out to carnival. I didn't pluck hair yet, and I didn't do any baby hairs, but I'll show you guys up close. Yes, I know it's not in the middle, okay? Don't kill me. So, this I'll show you guys where it goes down to. I really do think that Sapphire Wigs did that with this hair. It feels really smooth. My hands go through it really easily. When I was brushing it, it does snag. Like, look, right here is a snag. But, like, that's not a problem to me. It does shed. If y'all can see all that pink hair. It does shed, which is still not a problem to me. I really like how soft it is. I really like how vibrant the color is. It's really long. I'm probably going to cut it, but y'all will see where I cut it to later in the carnival get ready with me. I really do recommend this wig from Sapphire Wigs if y'all gonna get one. I don't know if they have like normal colors like black, but I know they have blonde. If y'all want to see me try the blonde one, let me know. Sapphire Wigs, if y'all like this review, let me know. Hit me up. I would love to do more Sapphire Wig reviews because this is boom. Oh, you know, this might look good like really wavy. Maybe I'll do wavy for carnival instead of straight. Let me know what you think. I really, really like this. I feel like I look like one of those, what's that there's like a cartoon on Nickelodeon with the fish, the mermaid with pink hair. Bro, I love the mermaid emoji with pink hair, bro. This is me. Wow. I feel like I haven't had colored hair in a really long time. This is like, I've never also had colored hair from the roots down. So this is really new to me. I think I might do like, I might put like a red or darker spray on here so you could do like an ombre kind of thing. Because I'm not really used to it going all the way straight down. But you know, if you like it, give it a thumbs up and comment down below what color you want me to try next, or what hair company you want me to try next, or if you've ever tried Sapphire Wigs or anything like that. Comment down below. I'm really excited for all the hair videos with this hair that I'm going to do. So subscribe if you want to see what I'm going to do. Thanks for watching. Bye.